Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a degree symbol on your like 32 degree, 42 degree, 52 degree like that on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a degree symbol like 60 degree, 90 degree like that. So I just going to show in this video. So I just going to open a slide here. So double tap here and you just use your keyboard. So here I just going to type as 92 degree. So 92 I just typed here. I'm just using Google Keyboard as keyboard. You can just download it from Play Store. So now click on this number section and then you just need to click again the extra symbol section here, and here you can find the symbol degree symbol like this. And if you want to have a 52 degree like that, you can just use the same process. So why I just using Google Keyboard as keyboard, because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Slide mobile. It having only insert image shape like that. So this is how you just insert degree symbol on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.